is not the destination. So I practice preserving myself because I know that God has work for me to do.
I've been getting it since a toddler. I keep dollars on my head. And the real one is my motto. And my problems I ain't scared. I put Prada on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader, I got no follow. And my footsteps like the feds. I shoot like I'm a turner, chop up bullets, make them shit. Black on black, new phantom in the backseat, sipping red. Bitch, I'm from Atlanta, with these hoes ready to get like that. Condo like the pharmacy, I got codeine in my fridge. I go on a steaming stove, cooking cut like grits. Satisfied, on a tippy toe, stuck her in a pit. LA live, I'm staying at the Lowe's with this Hollywood bitch. Got a 9, then the snow, no can't wait to let it hit. Pull up with streets, I pull up with street. I pull up with a pink toe, whip it, she taking it deep. I put some diamonds, turn up toes, let it hold on and I'm rich. We was used to pull it kick, though, you can still call it a leak. Broken can't be fixed, know that music split the neck. How you pull that don't make sense. I made a whole mile off an inch. I had 99 problems, I just scratched your heart to this. Got some amazing women, all on down my neck, cause quarter whip. I've been getting it since a toddler, I keep dollars on my head. And the real one is my motto, and my problems I ain't scared. I put Prada on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader, I got no follow, and my footsteps like the feds. I shoot like I'm a turner, chop up bullets, make them shit. Black on black, new phantom in the backseat, sipping red. Bitch, I'm from Atlanta, with these hoes ready to get like that. Condo like the pharmacy, I got codeine in my fridge. Missed it, I just hit my friend, told her kick smoke. I'm a liquor skin, she so precious. Might not fuck again, she too messy. But hit on the fix. Rose gold, her a mess. Drop it to 10, cause game with no 10. You don't gotta do that though, you can hop in front of tip. Boy, 9 in the vent, like that nigga spit. I got 2 B's on my bosses and a 30 in the bed. I know niggas better than me, still be 10, 12 shit. I got skeletons in my closets and they scared of me and shit. Raise my jealous under the bed, screaming rap me kid. I put water on my head, then she got seasick. Go for ops, play dead, and they still got hit. I done been up on my spine, but it still ain't my kid. Only reason I use my line is why she drank my spit. I've been getting it since a toddler, I keep dollars on my head. Then the real one is my motto, and my problems I ain't scared. I put Prada on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader, I got no follow, and my footsteps like the feds. I shoot like I'm a turner, chop up bullets, make them shit. Black on black, new phantom in the backseat, sipping red. Bitch, I'm from Atlanta, with these hoes ready to get like that. Condo like the pharmacy, I got codeine in my fridge.